In this video, we're going to be doing an improvisation where the right hand has triads on the white keys that are broken. The left hand is going to have open fifths that are also broken. But there's so many patterns available to us. Let's say that, and also the hands are going to be moving in tandem with one another. So D position, D is the leftmost note of both of these pentascale hand positions on the white keys. F is the leftmost, G is the leftmost, etc. So we could do something like this where the D's come together and the A's come together. Let's go to F. We could make the left hand very active and the right hand go slow. Whoops. Let's go back. Starting to create a melody just with those triad tones in those various hand positions. In the G position, in the A position. Let's go up to D here. All the way down to the C. It's a great sound. Let's go to A. Back to C. Let's go to G. Let's go back to C. F. How about D? Now, maybe this is really active. And I created a pattern. I'm going up 3, and then up 2, and then starting over. That's a very popular pattern. Remember, I only have 2 notes down here. The top note and the bottom note. What if I go to G? The pattern ever so slightly in the right hand, but you get the idea. Any one of these things, they're simple materials, but they could start to become melodic. As you get more sophisticated, the coordination can be tricky. So you might have to practice certain patterns together really slow and gradually speed them up. But you understand now that you can, out of simple materials, a broken triad in the right hand and a broken open fifth in the left hand, and you can get tremendous amount of variety and beautiful sounds just on the white keys as a beginner or an intermediate improviser. Have fun.